yourself.
What do you mean by that? It's quite vague for me.
In other meaning. If you don't have friends.
You don't have friends.
Friend na.
If you don't have a friend,
A friend.
and counting again. Or else you get 50 points. No, or else you get 50 points of 5.
We must love one another.
What's that? What's the significance of the quote to you?
For me.
That's just very easy. Oh, we must love one another or die.
Yeah, ma'am. For me, ma'am, what is the rule of the quote? For me, love is a powerful
Feeling and
expression.
you get 50 points. Kasi I could not understand your explanation.
Love is a powerful feeling.
Why must we love one another or die? Why is love such a very powerful emotion?
Because if you love one person,
Only one person?
no, if you love two persons, if you love people,
People or your friends?
people and animals.
People, so many people and just one animal?
No, people and animals and things.
Love him or her? How about you, Shani? Will you actually survive without loving some people?
Of course not.
Why?
Because
I've done this
Because,
in third year.
love gives me inspiration.
Wow. And
And determination.
determination to do things.
Yeah, like studying.
Do you love someone right now? Who is it?
Secret.
Okay, thank you, Sunny. So you get a bit higher than the 50 points. Sige, sit down.
Mga ilan lang.
Mga 10.
Oh, sumama mo.
Mga 10.
Saan lang po? Taas na yung grade. Tingko na wala.
Eh kasi
Mama, ang ganda-ganda, di ba? Ang ganda-ganda na ano.
your explanation is vague for me.
Ano ko naman?
Kaya not seriously, you're not serious about
Ma'am,
it.
I'm serious, ma'am.
No, you're not.
Yeah.
No, you're not. No.
Pinagdara ako mga
Be more serious about it later on. Aning!
Oh,